The philosophy of the Bhagavatam is to hear the pastimes of the Supreme Lord, become absorbed in such subject matter, and thereby transcend death, go back to Godhead, become established in devotional service. This point is being stressed throughout the Bhagavatam. Right in the beginning, Shrunvatam Swakatha Krishna. Hearing Krishna's pastimes. Punya Shravana Kirtanaha. So that principle is repeated again. Vidura says to Maitreya, I want to hear more and more and more about the narration of the Lord's appearance, activities. And the great sage Maitreya is telling Vidura, your inquiry is just befitting a devotee. So who likes to hear? Who wants to hear more about the Lord's pastimes? It's the devotees. Others don't have an understanding of the importance, don't know what is the value, or don't appreciate hearing such pastimes, or consider such pastimes as material. So many different reasons why others don't hear. Even if they hear, they'll make an official show of hearing. Sometimes they have this Bhagavad Saptaha. So somebody says, I've attended 1,000 Bhagavad Saptahas. Now, what is the change in your consciousness by attending such Saptahas? No change in consciousness. Or very little change, not noticeable in terms of purification. So, devotees, genuine devotees, sincere devotees, serious devotees, they want to hear more and more and more and more and more and more. And they want to hear to the extent that they get completely absorbed in such pastimes.